Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to design your own custom wallpaper in Procreate today. I use my tablet and I'm going to open the app Procreate and just go right into it. From here you're going to select new canvas and custom canvas. The dimensions I'm going to recommend are 1170 by 2532 pixels, and that fits most iPhones. For this wallpaper we're going to be using a specific image, so you can pick out your own image, and so we're just going to add another layer right here and go right into either insert a file or insert a photo, and I'm going to go just do that. And so here I am just resizing it. I'm going to start with the corner, and I'm going to go ahead and resize my brush, and for this brush I'll be using the monoline brush, and I'm just going to start out with a black outline, and for each step I'll be adding new layers right up at the top just to add a little bit more dimension. And so I'm going to go ahead and select any color, and so for each color I'm going to add each layer, and then I'll relayer it at the end, which I'll show you how in just a moment. So here I'm just adding all the layers under a new group so that it's easier to move this whole section of flowers and resize it or duplicate it, which we'll be doing for this specific wallpaper. Here you're just going to tap the layers button, and so I've already created the layers for this, but what you're going to do is just duplicate it, and you're going to go ahead and tap on each layer, and there you can go ahead and resize it and move it around. And so here I'm just going to duplicate it 3 times and just move it to where I like it. And for this artwork I'm going to add a 2025 with 3 exclamation points, and you can either create it with a thicker font or thicker darkness. And so once I'm satisfied with my product, I'm going to go ahead and select share, and I'm going to go with JPEG and export it, and it's going to save the image, and I'm just going to open it back up in photos, and from here I can either airdrop it to myself or just select use as wallpaper, and I'm going to go ahead and set that and just resize it. And you can either set it as a wallpaper pair or create your own custom home screen. I'm going to go ahead with wallpaper pair, and so there you can see it's on my home screen as well as my lock screen. Thanks for watching!